Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1963 Triumph Tr4 Convertible. White with blue interior, which is original. I believe it's got a new black top in the box ready to go on it. 4-speed disc wheels, super dry, rust-free California car. Rebuilt engine, and this car drives really well. It's a super easy car, just needing light cosmetic restoration. So it's a pre-20,000 VIN number. Originally it had the spa white dashboard. So nice early car in good colors. As you can see here, sheet metal wise, it's actually really decent. Good gaps, never been apart, old faded paint. We purchased this recently in Riverside County, and long-term owned by a couple. They had the engine rebuilt for about the cost of $7 grand, probably about 3-4 years ago. Recently the husband passed away and we acquired the car. But super good, dry, genuine California car. Really an easy car just to improve here as far as just paint and cosmetics, paint and interior. So as we walk around it, you can see really good gaps. Little bit of a ding here where the overrider kind of bumped the edge of the trunk there. As you can see, the lines on this car really straight. Another little dent here that they tried to pull out with a dent puller. But doors open and shut great. Really nice, dry, solid front fenders. Floors are great. Really good hood gaps. Just nice patinaed old satin white paint. Perfect grille. Really good front end on this car. Bumpers. Tires are newer. Tires, rims, wheels look great. But you can see here, gaps are nice. Doors fit great. Just a super good, solid, straight, excellent driving car with a rebuilt engine for paint interior. So there you go, body wise. All the aluminum trim is real nice around the cockpit here. Even has the original sun visors fitted. Original triplex windshield in reasonably good condition. Interior wise, just original tired interior. You can see here all the original draping. This was probably a white with shadow blue interior car. Original door panels showing a bit of patina and age. Seats look to me like they're out of a TR250 or a late TR4A. Dash all together, all complete. Instruments work. Take a look at the driving video on this one. Runs and drives good. We just got it in, we started it up, did a little bit of maintenance and little easy repairs, and fired right up. Runs super good, super strong. Rebuilt engine. I'm going to show you that right now. Hood pops nicely. Yeah, so in here you see super honest original paintwork all throughout. Rebuilt engine, runs great, runs really strong and hard, but beautifully straight car all up front here. All the original paintwork. Little bit of paint around the battery area there just to do a bit of preservation, protection there. But yeah, this is 19,480 CT is the body number. VIN number is 19017L, and engine number is close again. It's CT 19220E. So you could pretty much presume this is a matching number engine car. But yeah, early carbs, long filler neck there on the radiator, and perfectly good car just to perform easy cosmetics. And that bonus of that rebuilt engine. But super good, honest California delivery, Tr4, 1963, originally white with blue. It's lived out in Riverside all of its life, so very kind of dry inland valley desert car. Have a look at the driving video. Super, super good, solid rust-free car, rebuilt driveline, rebuilt engine, and just ready for easy cosmetics, paint, interior. Comes with a brand new soft top. Tires look great, running and driving. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.